If you're looking for a tablet system that works with your Kawasaki Ridge, super simple installation, you found it here at the ATV Superstore. This is our all new 8-inch tablet system. This will work with Apple CarPlay. This will work with Android Auto. You can look at your maps, Onyx Off-Road. You have music. Music will connect via Bluetooth or via a aux cable that is also included. This is just incredible. Again, this system comes complete with custom bezel. It'll come with a 8-inch tablet system that connects right to the center cavity area of your dash. It'll come with all the power cords needed to install. It's just so easy to do. And best of all, it's a lot less than what Kawasaki sells their systems for. So any questions, you can give us a call at 815-321-3888 or send us an email to theatvsuperstore@gmail.com.